What's up, guys? Today we're cycling into a part of Krakow which is called Kazimierz. Today we decided to go there because we learned about an interesting coffee shop which is a Swedish coffee shop. So we're cycling today to Kazimierz to go check out that Swedish coffee shop. Right now I have just crossed into Kazimierz, and I crossed over into Kazimierz using some really interesting bridge here. It's like a double twin bridge, has one side for pedestrians and one side for biking. One really interesting thing about that bridge was it had like statues of people doing weird activities that you would see like at a circus, like trapeze, you know. Ooh, nice Ferrari. Yeah, interesting stuff. Here we are in Kazimierz. Let's go find the Swedish cafe. So I was filming while I was cycling, and I pointed the GoPro at some guy and he got like a bit of a fright. That's crazy. But here we are in the heart of Kazimierz. It's like known for having a lot of Jewish heritage. So right now we're actually here by a synagogue. You can film it real quick. Synagogue. And so supposedly this is where the Swedish cafe is. So after I lock my bike up here, I'm just gonna take a look around and try to find it. Alrighty, so let's try this iced coffee. It looks pretty good, nice and big. We got the milk, got the kava, just what the doctor ordered. Let's see. I'm getting mighty close there. Oh, it's really good. This is really good coffee, so I recommend iced coffee here. Really nice. And over here we have a bun. Do you remember anything about it? This is like a vanilla pudding bun. And apricot jam here on top. So apparently this is a pretty Swedish thing. I don't know if you're Swedish. Write down in the comment if this looks legit. So yeah, let's see how that tastes. I don't even know how to eat this, like, with my hands. Okay, that's a solid 9.5 out of 10. Alright, so now we're just walking here in the streets of Kazimierz. There's a lot of restaurants here, a lot of cafes here. Really nice place. I don't come here too much, to be honest. When I do, we always try something new, something different. So outside of the Swedish cafe, I keep forgetting the name. There was Bakery, Stockholm. There were two really nice German guys there. So hey to you guys, thanks for subscribing. They're really cool. Tonight is the Euros, Germany versus Spain, so Germany is probably gonna win. Let's see. Anyway, so let's continue exploring Kazimierz. Alright, and here behind me we have another very popular place here in Kazimierz. I don't know the name. On Google Maps, I forgot the name. So here you can find like a market. Today's Friday. I don't know exactly which days it open, but there's like antiques, guy who sells records, a guy who sells books, a guy who's even selling like stuff made out of wood. So there's a lot of interesting things here. I especially love the antique store. You can the antique stalls. You can find some really interesting goods from World War II and stuff. And also here they have a unique food here in Poland called zapiekanka, and it's super popular. So in the circular structure, there's a whole bunch of zapiekanka providers, and usually they're really busy. People waiting in line to get the zapiekanka. There's one right there. Quickly turn around and film him in his hands. Anyway, so it's like a long pizza, rectangular, with a whole bunch of goodies on top. Yeah, so anyway, let's move on. Okay. He's really a hobo. These pigeons are really like ghetto. So the pigeons in the old town are more clean and really nice and lawny, but it seems like the pigeons here in Kazimierz are like hobos. They're all ghetto and they're dirty, and they're actually fighting each other over zapiekanka crumbs. It's insane. Yeah.
The pigeons in the old town are well fed, yeah? Yeah, I just said it. The pigeons in the old town are well fed.
That's true.
So they don't fight with each other.